welcome back again to my channel, and now I'm going to watch the opening of VITA Extella in PS4 and PS Vita, so let's check it out. Okay, that was Nero Claudius. Wow, the graphics is amazing. Okay, is that Astolfo or Tamamonomai? Okay, they look pretty similar because of that pink hair. Oh, I love this song! Oh, the chorus part is so catchy. I really love the combination of the chord. And that's... Oh, okay, I can see so many servants. Was that Archer? Oh yeah, it's him. It's Archer! Heroic Spirit Emiya. And I can see Karna too. Okay, it's Karna. I can see King Iskander and Lubu Lancer Gale! Okay, this is much cooler than the opening from Fate Extra CCC because this one is for PS Vita and PS4. Okay guys, so that was the end of the opening of Fate Extella, and I think this opening was very amazing, and I really love the song. The chorus part is so catchy, and I can see so many servants appear in this opening, including Lancer, King Iskander, and okay, Karna, Tamamonomai, Nero Claudius, Gil, and also that one. So many of the servants. Lubu! Okay. So thanks for the one who shared the link of this video to me. I really love it. This is the first time I see the opening for Fate game in PS4, and okay, it's so beautiful. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again on my next video, and take care.